Ang orasan. Hoy! Kagulis mo ang TV mo. Galo sa ko. Yatiya sa din. January 1, normal. Ay, dara ulo. Kikisa man yung ulo. I just want to be happy. Why is my life like this? So, mao ni siya ang next victim. Each doll seems to hold its own painful story. Lahi na punto siya na biktima sa buset na yan. Ay, kadlo, ka-creepy, boy. Galusinate ko, shit. Day 2! Ay, day 3 na day ko. Ha! Hello? Picture, normal. Kalendaryo, normal. Apple, Nalay ko yung nadunggan. Shit, totoo ko nadunggan. Ako nadunggan, men. Nara ko yung nadunggan. Amot lang. Ako na siguro ang galusinate in real life. Buset. Galusinate ko, wala. Feel na ko. Ay! Nanapod ning gatok-tok pero layo kay siya. Okay, galusinate ko. Day 4. Boom! Ay, oh, kani. Normal na eh? Ay, nanapod. Bagi, nadunggan ako ang footstep. Kinsa makamupawa ka ha? Pilapil maka. Kaya kinsa maning backstory ni. Pag mo talikod ko, mulihok na siya wa. Oh! Medicine! Mawala na ka. Shoo. Nakainom na kong medicine. Day 5. Ay! Putar. Mo nang transplant ni mo dol. Naunsa man imong baba. Gwapong surgery ni mo dol. Nahimo nun kag ambot. Dara siya. Mao ni siya in real life. Pero pag mag-hallucinate ko kay nani kakunitindog. Shit. Day 6. Kay normal ang picture, normal ang kalendaryo, normal ang TV. Ang isda 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So ni, adra ni lawas men. I kept thinking about the teacher, Miss Gomu, whom I met through Bori. Even amid rumors of her husband's business failure and her son's college rejection, she was someone who always gave children a warm smile. Why did she fall into that cult? Cult? What cult? Lisod kayo memorize ng balay? Yator! Galusinate ko, kaklaro ano. Okay, so unsan ako day? Oh, day 7 ako. Picture normal, TV normal. O na to, normal. Kalendaryo, January 1, 1990, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang isda, normal ang isda. Ang kortina, normal. Ang bulak, normal. Ang telepono, normal. Ang orasan. Hoy! Kagunis mo ang TV mo. Galusinate ko. Yatiya sa niliyok ang TV, oy. Sa niliyok ang TV, oy. Day 7. So, tiil na lang, ano. Si Miss Bori akong kailangan. Ay, dara! Kita na ang tiil. Hey. I hope she would have the strength to overcome her misfortunes. I found her contact information among Bori's belongings and got her to come here under the pretense that Bori was sick. Miss Gomu, Bori, Takgu, were they all ultimately victims of that doctor? Ang kalendaryo, normal ang kalendaryo. Ang isda, normal ang isda. Ay, yati yun to. Normal ang CR, walay tae, way unod. Galusinate ko, feel ako wala ko galusinate. Galusinate ko? Day 7, di ba ko? Day 8 na eh! Day 8! Please, day 8. Ay! Anong sumuni? Gogo, gikuan, gihurim-hurim ko bay. Gimo kog sacrifice. Gitatuan sa likod. Hala! Sisa mo na kayati kahadlok, bullshit. Day 8, fights. Gasp, was it all just a dream, not just Bori, but Miss Gomu too? My growing anxiety tells me they might all have fallen victim to that person. Okay, day 8, last day. Unta, matama na ko ani, piskot. Ang ref, normal. Ang basurahan, kay normal. Feel ako, wala ko galusinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kortina, normal. Kani, normal. Ang unlan, normal. Normal, tanan. Ang suga, normal. Ang suga. O, diba, normal, tanan. Unta, di ko mag... Ay, dara ni letter. What the heck? Karoon na ako nakita. Surgical record log. Patient name, Miss Gomu. Purpose of procedure to inscribe the sacred sigil. To carve the talisman and invite fortune. Remarks, multiple hallucination observed during the procedure. What the heck? Unsa man eh? Galusinate ko? Nanapunta ni magbintot-bintot. Feel ako galusinate ko. Dapat tama akong desisyon na ni Bay. Mo ni si Miss Gomo. Wala! Hiyati! Nilahi ang balay! Galusinate ko. Okay. Boom! Yes! The doll is gone. Is it really over now? Naumanan ako ang doll. Si Miss Gomo, si Takgo, og si Bori. Feel ako, manan ako. Yati. Feel ako, manan na ni Bay. Hoy! Oh, tarayos. Napatay na. Ako na po dang operahan na ni Bay. Where is this place? Where are you all here? Bunalans na sad na ron. Bunalan ko ba yati?
Why
Why are you doing this to me? Lo yati, ito si Goldfish oh.
Untie me.
Untie me.
Right now.
So sila... oo kasabot.
The pills you took were poison.
The pills you took were poison that slowly eats away your your brain.
You flail around lost in hallucinations was
truly
truly entertaining.
Buset, ang ginatag nila nga pills kay... never mind. Nagsismigol. The pain and despair we endured, now it will seep into your flesh and bones.
And bones.
Gidamay pa ko sa mga buang, oh.
You're no savior.
You're no savior.
greed made us what we
Your
are.
greed made us
And
what we
now
are, and now we'll become your nightmare.
nightmare.
Oh, hell no!
Aren't you excited?
Aren't you excited?
Our
Our
masterpiece.
masterpiece. Yati, mga traidor sila, bay! Abi pa naman ako ang makasave sa ilaha, piskot. So, ang pills na ginatag nila sa kuha kay hinay-hinay ga, kuhan sa utok. You know who's at the door. Seoul 2000. Mga traidor day sila, bay! The perpetrator of those horrific human experiments. Yes, Mr. Kim, who had a supervised sentence was controversially released on parole 10 years ago and has since vanished without a trace.
Yes, there are also suspicions of medical record trading with higher-ups behind the parole decision, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Human Rights Group strongly opposed the decision at the time, and after his disappearance, there were even suggestions that the victims' families might have kidnapped him.
This led to renewed scrutiny of his past.
Buyag basa, oy!
Crimes committed under the banner of human experimentation.
It's hard to believe that a person could do
Do
such things to another human.
Gani.
Yes.
Gani.
case remains unsolved, and Kim's whereabouts are still a complete mystery. Where could he possibly be? This has been Caseline.
Unsa daw?
Thanks for
So,
watching.
nakataka. Yati. Lo, kasabot kayo, bay. Mo na to? Umana na?
What do you really think
What do you
happened
think
to Mr.
really
Kim?
happened to Mr. Kim?
Well,
Ako si Mr. Kim?
I guess he probably
Well, I
didn't
guess he
survive
probably
long.
didn't survive long.
Honestly, someone like that deserves to be punished just as cruelly.
Ako si Mr. Kim.
Destroy, tear apart, and make sure he suffers just as much.
I'd make sure he
if not
suffered
more.
just as much, if not more,
most
with the most
agonizing
agonizing
pain
pain
possible.
possible. That's
That's what I would do.
Alright. Gibuwat tanan sa kuwabay. Ay! So ako tong Amot lang og tama ako pagsabot ha. Sa akong pagkasabot kay mura siya kuan. Sa akong pagkasabot kay ako tong doktor nga nag-opera kay Bori, kay Takgo, kay Miss Gomi, ay Gomu, Goku, amot kita to. So ako tong doktor. Unya nanimalos sila. Amot lang wala kasabot. At least humana na. Fights humana. Humana who's at the door. I'm the best. Naman ra jud.